Hi everyone, Thao here. So I got my hands on the latest tablet offering from Samsung, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. With Lite in its name, you know there's gonna be some compromises. The Tab S6 Lite checks in at $350 or 430 Canadian, making it a good amount less than the Tab S6. This pricing puts it head to head with Apple's 10.2-inch iPad, which is actually a little cheaper. But the Tab S6 Lite does have double the storage and includes a stylus in the box. It comes equipped with 4 GB of RAM, paired with either 64 or 128 GB of storage, as well as Bluetooth 5.0. If you're looking for more storage, it actually comes with micro SD card support up to 1 TB. Samsung's known for making some of the best AMOLED screens, but unfortunately, that's where you'll find the first compromise. The Tab S6 Lite actually has a 10.4-inch TFT LCD screen with a resolution of 2000 by 1200. Now I will say, for my limited use, it does look pretty good. My only gripe at the moment is that it doesn't get as dim as I would like when watching content at night. Do I wish it had a better screen? Of course. The entire backing is made out of aluminum and weighs in at 467 grams or around 1 pound. There's a single 8 megapixel camera on the back combined with a 5 megapixel one on the front, which should be decent enough for scanning documents or video chats. Let's go ahead and take a quick selfie. There are 2 stereo speakers tuned by AKG, one at the top and one at the bottom, which is 2 fewer than the 4 speaker setup you get on the regular Tab S6. The good news? There's a headphone jack. A 15-watt fast charging brick and USB-C cable are included to charge up the 7040 mAh battery, which Samsung states will get you 12 hours of Wi-Fi web browsing or 13 hours of video playback. As mentioned, you'll also get an S Pen included in the box. But unlike the one you get with the Tab S6, it doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities, so this is strictly for writing and sketches. It has a slightly different design, and as you can see, it's flat on one side so that it can magnetically attach to the side of the tablet. Sort of like this. S Pen support is one of the key differences between this and another one of Samsung's tablets, the Tab S5e. The S5e is a year old now, but if you don't care for S Pen support and just want a tablet to consume content on, that should offer a better experience with its AMOLED screen and quad speakers. If you look closely, you'll also notice that there are no connector pins for a keyboard cover, so you'll have to rely on Bluetooth if you want to use a keyboard. Samsung DeX, which converts your tablet into a desktop-like interface, is also not available on the Tab S6 Lite. Out the box, the tablet is running Android 10 with One UI 2.1. So if you're using a recent Samsung smartphone, you'll feel right at home with the software. There are some minor tweaks to things like the notification panel and multitasking, but the experience is very, very familiar. Another interesting decision is not including a fingerprint scanner of any sort. To unlock the tablet, you'll have to rely on a pin, pattern, or the 2D face unlock. Initial impressions of the tablet are that it seems to be built for those who really want the functionality of a stylus, but don't want to pay more than they have to. There's definitely quite a few compromises made to maintain the S Pen support and lower price tag. The iPad 10.2 is stiff competition, especially as Apple continues to refine iPad OS. But you gotta give Samsung some credit for keeping the Android tablet market alive. So question, is the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite something you'd be interested in? If so, what do you want to know for the full review? Let me know in the comments. As usual, thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, I'm out of here.